Jatend kanisa ma Kopere ohum nono gi lipot mar rocho ratiro kokalo kuom weche mag hera e sikunde manie bwo kanisano. Kanolosi e apisi mar jopuonj madongo mag sikunde Kopere e boma ma Nairobi, Archbishop ma Diocese ma Nairobi Philip Anyolo owacho ni ok gibi yie gi richo ma kamago kuom jopuonj kaachiel gi jopuonjre.
Yeah, we are here as principals and management of Catholic schools from all over the country, Kenya. They come here in terms of dioceses and metropolitanates. So we have over 1,000 or something like that, over 1,000 teachers here, head teachers around, and they are here for 3 days. They come to discuss about the values of education in our country, but even across the whole world. Because we as Catholics and as Christians, we remember the first mandate of Christ is to go to the world and teach. And teaching has to do with rediscovering the truth, and the truth is always about God himself.
Moko kuom sikunde e kaunti ma Nyamira omor gi lemo momedgi mar bedo skunde madongo kata